On the day of May 8th, 2015, BNSF train Z-WSPALT-826 was heading to Alliance, Texas, with 4 engines on the header. C-44-9B-4482, ES-44C-4 8153, ES-44C-4 8123, and C-44-9B-4372. The train was pulling about 69 intermodal cars, with none of them being empty. However, a washout occurred, and then disaster struck. The train slams off into the landslide, and the containers, which were actually filled with trash, went everywhere. The leading locomotive, 4482, was totally destroyed in the accident. 8153 suffered severe damage when the radiator was sheared off along with the top of the cab. 8123 was stuck in the mud. The National Transportation Safety Board investigated the accident, and what they found was that a landslide occurred, and the train was unable to stop in time before it slammed into the landslide. In the end, after the accident, 4372, 8153, and 4482 were scrapped. However, 8123 is still sitting in storage.
It's probably repaired as of now.